SEOscience.com.
Like analyzing a competitor's link profile is probably one of the first steps you need to take. Not just a competitor though, like say you're going for a specific keyword, you go for, right, who's ranking number one? What does their link profile look like? What does their content look like? What does the page look like you want to outrank? Because obviously you need to beat that for a start. But then what does the link profile look like? And then from that, you can kind of think, okay, this is the difficulty of the keyword, or the keywords that you're going for. And it can kind of give you a kind of, or at least give, an agency, this is how much you probably need to invest to crack it. And this is how many links they've got, the power of the links they've got, the variance of the links they got, the velocity, which is essentially how many links a month they're getting. Or if you really want to go into it, how many links a week they're getting for those huge campaigns with really difficult keywords. So yeah, like that's probably where you'd start. But then you go down to like looking at the individual links, because any website accrues, especially when you're getting up there and you're a fairly well-known business, or a fairly well-ranked website like yourself, you will accrue random links all the time. So when you look at a competitor's link profile, the first thing you have to do is parse out, hey, is this a paid link or is this one of the rubbishy links that they've accrued? So easy for me or you to have a look at that and kind of be like, oh yeah, that's clearly a paid link. It's a do follow link. It's an irrelevant website, so on and so forth. But if you're trying to do this yourself, it can be really hard to kind of look through all of them and kind of be like, oh, which ones have they paid for? The first thing to do is just filter it. Like if you're using SEMrush or Ahrefs, filter it by do follow, because although you can pay for no follow links, and in some cases they're useful, I'm sure we'll talk about that another time, but usually you want to get do follow links, of course. So filter all the no follows away, and then just look at the ones from the last few months. You can kind of start to work out, like, is the content relevant to the keyword they're trying to rank for, the industry they're trying to rank for, or is it like a crazy directory link from Russia or something? Like it will quickly become apparent.
SEO Science.